Hello, Richard from County Battery Services here. Just looking at this Powakaddy plug and play battery, and I'm going to show you today how to take the thing to bits and replace the battery. So first of all, it's handy to have one of these. There are a number of screws in there, and they just all want under there. Now, this then packing. Okay, so we've got here, this was a 8mm nut and bolt. The red one is the positive, as you would expect. As you can see, this is a BB battery. It's EV, which is for electric vehicle, and it's a 20 amp 12 volt. I'm going to now replace this with this Ritar. Again, it's an EV, but this is 22 amp per hour. It will give a slightly higher range on the Golf Trolley. You will notice that the terminals are slightly different. This one's got an internal thread, and this one has an upright pillar. However, it's no problem because we can just turn the terminal the other way around, and it will be all good. Various bits of packaging. Now the key here is these clips fit into here and hold these down. So it's a little bit tricky, but if you aim to get those in first, I'm ready to go. Richard, County Battery Services, looking at Powakaddy plug and play battery. Thank you.